In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted files from your Google Drive trash. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open your Google Drive account, then you're gonna go to the left corner and you're gonna click on Trash. Here is where all your deleted items are gonna be stored. If you have many deleted items, you can go ahead and browse through all of them until you find the one that you want to restore. Once you have it, you're gonna go ahead and right-click on the file and then you're gonna select Restore. Once you do that, your file is gonna be moved back to its original location in your Google Drive account. If you want to restore multiple files, all you have to do is select them. You can right-click and then you can also just click Restore. If you don't see the file that you're looking for, it has probably been more than 30 days since you deleted that file. And unfortunately, after 30 days, what Google will do is delete all the files that you have in your trash forever. In this case, it won't be possible to restore your deleted files. And that's it. I hope that helps.